Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest bank reports from some of the biggest financial institutions in the world. We'll break down the key points, summarize the findings for each report, and make predictions based on these insights. Let's get started. First, let's discuss the UniCredit Equity Strategy Flash 2024-07-29 report. This report highlights potential for increased market volatility and risk reduction. It analyzes the impact of earnings reports and macroeconomic conditions on market sentiment, providing a short-term outlook for equity markets. Next, we have MS, Global Reflections, 2024-07-28. This report reviews recent trends and developments in global markets, discussing key economic indicators and their implications. It also recommends strategies for navigating current market conditions and potential risks. Moving on to Barclays, FX, and EM, Weekly Thoughts, 2024-07-28. This report highlights key movements and trends in the FX and emerging markets, discussing recent economic data releases and their impact on currency movements. It provides an outlook for major currencies and emerging market FX. Next, let's look at BOFA, Global Macro Watch Known Unknowns, to 24-07-28. This report discusses potential global risks that could impact markets, including geopolitical tensions and policy changes. It reviews key economic indicators and recommends strategies to navigate potential risks and uncertainties. Now let's discuss RBC, the Pulse of the Market, to the 24-07-29. This report analyzes recent market sentiment and investor behavior, reviewing key economic data releases and their impact on market sentiment. It provides an outlook for market trends based on observed sentiment and economic indicators. Next, we have MUFG, Asia FX Talk, 2024-07-30. This report reviews significant movements in Asian currencies, focusing on JPY and CNH. It analyzes economic factors driving currency movements, including trade data and policy decisions, providing an outlook for Asian currencies. Moving on to CityFX, Cheat Sheet G10 and EM Week Ahead, 2024-07-27. This report provides a preview of expected movements in G10 and emerging market currencies for the upcoming week. It discusses key economic indicators and events that could influence currency movements, offering strategies for trading major and emerging market currencies. Next, let's discuss ING, FX Daily, looking out for further signs of U.S. slowdown, 2024-07-30. This report analyzes recent U.S. economic data and its implications for FX markets. It focuses on the impact of U.S. economic slowdown signs on major currency pairs, providing a short-term outlook for key currency pairs. Next, we have CACIB, FX Daily, 24-07-30. This report reviews daily currency movements, focusing on major currency pairs. It highlights key trends affecting the FX market, including economic data releases and geopolitical developments, providing a short-term outlook for key currency pairs. Moving on to Refinitiv, The Day Ahead, 24-07-30. This report offers a preview of upcoming economic indicators and market events, analyzing market trends and investor sentiment leading into major economic announcements. It highlights important economic events to watch and their potential market impact. Finally, let's discuss UniCredit, Markets Today, 2024-07-30. This report discusses recent trends in global markets, focusing on bond yields and equity performance. It highlights important economic indicators and their impact on market sentiment, recommending investment strategies based on current market trends. To summarize, here's a quick overview of our findings. 1. Economic overview: mixed sentiments globally with cautious optimism in some regions and concerns over potential recessions and geopolitical risks. 2. Currency movements: USD potential for strength due to geopolitical factors and economic data. Potential downward pressure from economic uncertainties and Fed policies. JPY, strengthening due to political pressure on the BOJ and economic factors. USD JPY sensitive to changes in US yields. GBP and EUR GBP influenced by UK inflation data and market risk aversion. EUR stability depends on ECB policy and economic data. Emerging markets, mixed performance with some underperforming due to fiscal concerns and trade tensions. Asian currencies impacted by China's economic data and U.S.-China relations. 3. Market sentiment: recovery in U.S. tech stocks influencing FX volatility, equity performance affecting currency trends. 3. Key economic data releases and central bank meetings remain crucial for market movements. Predictions for currency pairs based on today's reports. 1. EUR USD. expected to remain stable with limited movements until clearer signals from the ECB and political developments in the US. 1. Potential for slight downside due to Eurozone growth concerns. 2. USD JPY likely to weaken further as Japanese yen gains strength from domestic inflation trends and potential BOJ policy adjustments. GBP USD. Potential for further strength if UK inflation remains steady, reducing expectations for rate cuts by the BOE. For NZD USD, NZD expected to maintain strength due to better-than-expected economic data and dovish RBNZ stance. 5. USD CAD, likely to remain under pressure due to softer Canadian CPI data and expected BOC rate cuts. 6. AUD USD, potential for slight strength in AUD as the USD remains under pressure, but watch for domestic economic indicators. 7. USD CHF, broad-based USD selling might continue to pressure this pair, with CHF benefiting from safe haven flows. 8. EUR GBP, expected to remain around current levels with slight potential for GBP outperformance if BOE reduces rate cut expectations. And USD BRL, volatile with potential for BRL weakness due to fiscal uncertainties in Brazil. 10. USD ZAR, potential for ZAR underperformance despite broad USD weakness due to domestic economic challenges in South Africa. 11. Gold, likely to see increased demand as a safe haven asset amid global economic uncertainties and political tensions, potentially driving prices higher. That's all for today's analysis. Stay tuned for more insights and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more financial insights and updates. Thanks for watching and happy investing.